Well, welcome to another adventurous fishing trip. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're at Jacks River, the trailhead to the Jacks River Falls. And we're going to be fishing the Jacks River, see what kind of fish we can catch today. What have I got here? This will be my first fish of the day. Hope you can see him. Look at here. There he is, the beast. I think that's a little Coosa bass. Let's see. This looks like a monster rock bass. And it is. Okay, I just want to show you what I'm using today. Here at Jacks River, I'm using a number 2 hook. Number 2 hook. Full night crawler. Right above that hook, about 8 to 10 inches, is a number 5 split shot sinker. Right here. And I'm using P-line fluorocarbon 6-pound test line, Leland Lures, 6'6". .6" rod, and the Balo 1000 reel. I set the hook on him early. He ought to be. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, he's a big one. There it comes. Let's see what we got here.